Hi everyone, welcome to another video by the Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I'm going to be talking about a very important skincare product which all mothers need to use for their babies, which is the baby lotion. And I'm going to be comparing two very popular brands in the market. One is the Himalaya baby lotion and the next one is the Lotus baby lotion. The Himalaya baby lotion has been around for a while. It's one of the basic stuff that you get in all drugstores. You can get it online. Lotus has just launched its products for the baby, so it's not yet very popular, but I would say that I love the Lotus baby lotion. So I'm going to start with this one. Now this one has shea butter, it has calendula extract. It's not too heavy, but it's not very thin either. So the Himalaya baby lotion is great for summers, and the Lotus baby lotion is really good if the weather is on the drier side. So if you live in a humid climate like I do in Calcutta, and if you want to put something on your baby's face even during summers, Himalaya baby lotion is going to be the one for you. Whereas in the days it becomes a little cooler, you think the skin has dried up a little bit, the Lotus baby lotion is the one to go for. So all through winters I use the Lotus baby lotion. Now that it has become a lot warmer, I have switched back to the Lotus baby to the Himalaya baby lotion. The Himalaya baby lotion has mostly olive oil and almond oil. It's also very gentle. It's free from parabens, mineral oil and synthetic colors. This is also free from parabens. It has no harmful chemicals. It also has the perfect pH of 5.5. That is the pH you need for all skincare products, especially for babies. Now coming to the prices of these products, the Himalaya one is 85 rupees for 100 ml, whereas the Lotus one is 155 rupees for 100 ml. So in terms of price, yes, this is nearly double the price of the Himalaya one. But as I said, the Lotus baby lotion is thicker than the Himalaya one. You need a lot less of the Lotus baby lotion. The skin remains softer for a longer period of time after you apply the Lotus baby lotion. In terms of fragrance, I like the Lotus baby lotion fragrance, but I love the Himalaya one. I think in terms of fragrance, Himalaya has done a better job. Definitely, I like the smell of Himalaya one better than the Lotus one, because Lotus one is, I think, a little strong for babies. Now when the entire world is trying to move towards fragrance free for skincare products, I think Lotus can just tone down the fragrance a little bit. But apart from that, in terms of the softness of the product, how it melts into the baby's skin, and my baby skin feels really soft and smooth, I would say the Lotus one is my preferred baby lotion. Again, as I said, it's dependent on the weather. Choose your baby lotion according to the area that you live in, according to the skin type of a baby, because sometimes babies do have dry skin. In that case, you need to switch to something thicker, maybe a baby cream and not a baby lotion. So that's your call. But if you have to choose between one of them, I would say go for the Lotus one. It will goes a long way, and it definitely leaves your child's skin feeling really supple. So with that, I will end the video. I hope you liked it. It was a very short video just to give you some information about these two products in the market. You can find me on Instagram as the Happily Exhausted Mama, and I will see you soon. Bye.